Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend so far. So today in the mail I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2019. So this is like the upgraded slash like big sister to the Ipsy Glam Bag. So the Ipsy Glam Bag I have not yet received this month, but that one is $10 a month. And this one's more expensive, it's $25 a month, but you do get full size items. So usually I try and avoid spoilers. I just personally find it way more fun to open something when it's a surprise. I just love surprises. The whole experience I just think is more enjoyable. But Ipsy is getting harder to avoid spoilers, so I have seen some, and I gotta admit, I'm not like super pumped for this month, but I guess we'll open it and see. I think I remember everything. I might like have forgotten one or two items. But yeah, so if you're interested in Ipsy, of course, I will leave a link down below. But anyways, let's get started. So when I open the box, this is what I see, and it always has this cute quote here. It says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." I love that. And then there's some like yellow foam and everything is underneath. So let's see if there's like a handout. Oh my god, I got something I wasn't expecting, or did I add this on? I don't know, but okay, this box is looking a little bit more exciting to me. Did I add stuff on? See, that's how bad my memory is. Sometimes like, I do things like that and I forget. So on Ipsy's website, you do have the option each month to like add things on for like $3, $9, $12, or you can like claim some points. So if like people sign up for your, for Ipsy through your link, you get some points and can redeem things. I don't remember doing that, but there's something in here that looks like I may have done it. So it says, July 2019, dive in. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So, and then on the back it says, your Glam Bag Plus to-do list. To get to know your product, share with us, review your picks, and get even more. So online you can get like some tips and tricks and stuff like that on your products, which is super cool. And if you review your products, you get some points to redeem. So along like the lines of what I was just saying. And then inside it talks about the items with some pricing information and all of that. So I'll add up the total at the end. Yeah, I'll start with the first thing that I did not expect to be in here, and I'm pretty excited about this. So this looks like an Ofra highlighter. I might have redeemed my points for this. It sounds kind of familiar, because sometimes when I redeem my points, they come in my regular Ipsy bag, sometimes in this one, but this is not part of the main box. And I'm pretty sure, okay, so this is the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. Okay, so do you guys follow Samantha March here on YouTube? She just recently collabed with Ofra, and she had Pillow Talk, which I actually have on today, Ofra Pillow Talk, and I think that, was this the other shade, Ofra Star Island, or I don't know what it was, but it looks similar to this, so I didn't get her collab, even though I wanted to support her just because I thought I already like had at least one of the shades, and I might even have two now. So this looks beautiful. Ofra highlights are like booming. Like I don't know if you can really tell, I can't see on the viewfinder really well when I'm filming. But here is that. So pretty. I am definitely pumped to have another Ofra highlighter in my collection, even though I'm like on highlighter overload. Like I am just kind of overloaded with everything. Like I just have so much stuff, and I'm trying to like pan things and use it, and yeah, but it's a good problem to have. Okay, I'm not first world problem. I have too much stuff. Okay, let's move on. So this is moisturizer by Glow Recipe. And honestly, I do really love Glow Recipe, but getting another moisturizer is like, I got the Sunday Riley moisturizer in last month's Ipsy Plus, which is amazing. I just actually opened it like 2 days ago. So I'm not like in the market to get another moisturizer. I mean, I was finishing one up before I opened it. Obviously, I just opened it. It's been like a month since I received it. But even if I started using it the day I received it in my Ipsy, I would not be ready for another moisturizer. Is it just me? Like, I don't go through a whole moisturizer in a month. But this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'll take it out of the bag. Glow Recipe is cruelty-free. I really like some of their stuff. I've used their watermelon sheet masks. Those are amazing. I just actually talked about them in my empties video yesterday. So there's a card in here too. So I'm definitely like happy to get this because it's a company I like, and so here's the actual packaging, but I just won't get to this for a while. And I just don't think they should give you moisturizers 2 months in a row. Like maybe every 2 months, you know? So let's see. So it has a nice little like pump, I like that. So it's like a gel. It smells like watermelon. I was hoping it would. So yeah, it feels nice. Let me put it like on my arm. Wow, a little bit goes a long way. That like just spread all throughout my arm really easily. It doesn't look like it's all the way full. Can you guys see that? And it's only, it's 25 ml, so 0.85 fluid ounces. Let's see how much it costs. So this is $21. That's not bad. I was thinking it would be more for some reason. So it says, Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Smells so good like watermelon. Oh my god. Glow Recipes is known for creating natural, cruelty-free products inspired by K-beauty trends. This gel-textured formula hydrates, brightens, and protects skin with vitamin-rich watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals. Plus it smells just like a slice of juicy watermelon, so refreshing on a hot summer day. And it says, tip, use it on your face and neck morning and night. Gently massage 1 pump of the moisturizer upward on your skin until it's absorbed. So yeah, I'm happy to get this, I guess, but I won't get to it in a while. And plus I'm like using like pretty much exclusively a Sunday Riley whole skincare routine to like review and stuff on my channel soon. But I guess when that's over, maybe I'll do like a whole Glow Recipe routine or something like that. Let's move on to the next item. This is by Pixi. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. So this is a nourishing mist. I feel like we were getting so many mists in boxes. Wow, you can like see that there's like an oil separation in there. See the top? Like, there's definitely oil in there, but I guess it says there is. So let's learn more about this. Oh hi, the cats are awake. They're just napping. They're coming in now. So this is $15. Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. Step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Just tip, shake it up. Definitely want to shake it up because that separation I showed you. Mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. Awesome. I do love stuff like this. I just have several open right now. And just because I'm not sure when I'll get to it. It has a 12-month shelf life. That's nice. But I'm not going to open it yet just because I have some open. I'm trying to be more cognizant of that. But pretty cool. I mean, it looks like you're seriously like spraying olive oil on your face. But I've never seen an oil look like that. Or they're just like protected. You know, they don't have clear packaging. But yeah, if you shake it up, I guess the separation goes away. I just would want to use it right away because it separates like almost instantly. But yeah, let's move on to the next item. Now this is one that I knew was coming in and I'm not like psyched about. This is by Huda Beauty, the 3D highlighter palette. So like I said, I'm like overloaded with highlighters. That's why I didn't expect to see this in here, but it's kind of coming back to me that I added it on, I'm pretty sure. So Huda Beauty is cruelty-free. They don't test their products on animals, but they use mink, which I find to be cruel, so I don't use Huda Beauty products. So I will be putting this in my giveaway drawer, so one of you will be getting this. Let's see if I can show it to you without messing anything up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's like a little cover on top that has Huda's face, or model's face, I don't really know. But these are the shades, so one of you guys will be able to use this. I must say the packaging is pretty cool. Like if you move it around, you can like see her highlight. So yeah, it's just a personal choice of mine, but I don't really mind, you know, I get to just share it with one of you guys. But let's learn more about this palette. I think everyone got like some sort of Huda like product this month, and Huda's gonna be like collaborating with Allure Beauty Box, so Huda's like making her rounds this month. But this is $45. Wow. So the 3D highlighter palette in pink sands. We're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. With a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters, this palette has everything you need to customize your glow. And that gives some tips. So yeah, this is definitely going in a giveaway. The next thing is something I've never tried, but I've heard really good things about. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I've heard good things. I know like Subbox Lover loves this one. I remember that. So hopefully she got one this month too. I think she might have done it. I think I saw her Instagram photo or something like that. Let's learn more about this. I'm not going to open it now because I have multiple mascaras open. So this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black, and it has a retail value of $24. It says, want long lifted defined lashes? This snowflake formula is enriched with exclusive elastic stretch technology, superpowered ingredients like biotin and peptides to strengthen, polymers to lift, and collagen to build up your lashes from the inside out. The specially designed wand grabs your teeniest lashes and coats them in color from root to tip, no lash left behind. Plus it's long wearing, so you'll barely need touch-ups even after hours of wear. So that's cool. And it has like some stats on here. Like sometimes I wonder like how they get these. I think they tell you they tested on like 24 people, but 96% said lashes look stretched, 96% saw dramatic volume and length, 96 saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw fuller looking lash line. You can see a picture of like a before and after, so I hope that happens to me. My lashes are pretty much non-existent, as you guys probably already know. But let's move on to the last item. Oops. So the last thing is something by Naked Cosmetics. So here is the outer packaging. This is their 4-piece pigment set. 4-piece pigment set that has a retail value of $40. And I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway, but I'll show you guys what's inside. I just never reach for loose pigments, so hopefully someone else will. Let me get these out. Come out. So it comes stacked like this. So it looks like they're like kind of neutral colors. It says Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. You can kind of see a picture here to better see the colors. So one of you guys will be winning this. I have actually 2 giveaways planned for the future. Obviously when we hit 6,000 subscribers, you guys know every time I hit a milestone, I love to have a big giveaway for you guys. So I think we're like 300 and something away. So if you're not yet subscribed and love giveaways and boxes, definitely feel free to join us here. And also, there'll be another little giveaway coming up in the near future, so look out for that. So yeah, this definitely is not my favorite Ipsy Plus month. I mean, it's nice that I have a YouTube channel, so when I don't want something or can't use something, I can give it away, you know? So 2 of the items here are going to one of you guys, and this is like a bulk of the price. Like these 2 together is $85. I am happy to get the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. It smells really good. I like Glow Recipe stuff that I've tried, so I'm excited to try something else by them. I'm just not in the market for a new moisturizer, so I won't get to it for a while. And I think it's kind of a bummer to get like 2 of the same types of products in a row, you know? Mascara, that's cool to get. I guess I feel like I just got a mascara last month too. I actually used it today, like the Illamasqua, or however you say it, like their mascara. That's pretty good, but yeah, I guess mascara is something you want to like replace every month or 2 months or whatever. So I mean, at least it's like a cult favorite. That's cool to try. And my Pixie spray I dropped while filming, and that's like rolled away. So you guys saw it before though. So that's nice to have too. But also I have gotten so many sprays, facial mist in recent boxes, especially this summer. So yeah, I'm probably like the most excited about the thing I added on because this is something I almost got. I'm pretty sure this is the City of the March one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, so I'm gonna add up the total value of the box. So I paid $25 for it. Let's see if it is worth it to me. So the total retail value is like $145, or not like, it is $145. I have like such that bad habit of saying like before everything. So $85 of that is going away to someone else. So I'll be using about $60 worth of products, none of which super excite me, but I still will get use out of it. So overall, yes, the box is financially worth it to me. I'm just not like thrilled or like super excited. Like sometimes I'm like so excited after I open boxes, like I can't wait to like use this stuff. I'm just like, you know, nice to have new things, I guess, in the future. Just don't really need any of them right now. So yeah, is what it is. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry if I'm not as positive as always, but I love you guys so much. Thank you again for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye.